This is the Panasonic Family and Children hairdryer. It's a great tool for the whole family as it's safe for everyone to use, even kids. When you're drying your child's hair, you usually need to be careful to avoid hot spots, but that isn't a worry here. It has an oscillating quick dry nozzle which distributes airflow all around the hair for more effective coverage and fewer hot patches. It's powerful enough to give you quick and effective drying while still being gentle enough to use on little ones, so it can cater to everyone's needs. When using this hairdryer, you'll get beautiful, shiny and healthy looking hair thanks to its moisturising features. It uses nano-E technology which penetrates your hair with tiny water particles, restoring the moisture balance and getting rid of any frizz. This will bring out your natural shine all the way from the root to the tip. And because everyone's hair is different, you can adjust the settings to suit you. There are 4 temperature settings and 3 different speeds, so you can set your preferences based on your desired style and the condition of your hair. If you'd like more info about this Panasonic hairdryer, then visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.